Hey guys, I'm Liam, and for today's module, our learning objective is to be able to understand the scientific method and the hypotheses associated with it. And along with that, we should be able to differentiate between null and alternative hypotheses, as well as being able to differentiate between type 1 and type 2 errors. So, to start off with, when it comes to the hypotheses, there's various types. There's your research hypothesis, your null hypothesis, and your alternative hypothesis. Your research hypothesis is what the researcher supposes will occur, their prediction. A null hypothesis, often labeled as H subscript 0, is a statement that there is no relation amongst the variables. And an alternative hypothesis, also labeled as H subscript 1, is a statement that there is no relation amongst variables, or in this case, the opposite of your null hypothesis, or HO. And I'll be giving you guys an example of each. So to go further, hypotheses permit us to investigate research questions in a scientific kind of method. And this example in particular is a correlation example, in which the research hypothesis would be a level of education will be correlated with physical activity level. Your null hypothesis would be it's a level of education and physical activity will not be correlated. This is the case because, remember, a null hypothesis is a statement that there is no relation amongst the variables. An alternative hypothesis, with the example of level of education and the correlation with the physical activity, is the level of education and physical activity will be correlated. So yeah.